How to create your first sample web page in 5 days without struggling. If you go to the Designers Learn Code YouTube channel, there's a playlist for a series of videos to create a simple sample web page that will basically teach you step by step how to do it so that you don't have to struggle trying to figure out what to do. Because if it's your first time coding, sometimes you need a little guidance to try to build your first website or, sample web page. And by building a sample web page, then you can build on it by trying some of the code that I demonstrate for you in the other videos on my YouTube channel. Because the best way to learn to code is to code by doing. Because by actually practicing coding, that's how you're going to learn. And with these 5 videos that you can do over the course of 5 days, you will be shown step by step what to do, what code to put down on your web page, and how to do it simply. And this way you can get over the fear of trying to code something and realize that it is something that is doable for you. So all you need to do is go over to the YouTube channel for the Designers Learn Code and go down to the playlist that talks about creating a sample web page. And you'll find the series of 5 videos there for you to follow to create your first sample web page. And if you want to do it fast, then you can actually just choose the last video, which is a recap, and it includes all the information from the previous videos. So if you feel motivated to do it in one shot, you can listen to the longer video and follow that step by step and get that first sample page running so that you can use it as a template to try out new code as I demonstrated in the other videos so that you can learn. Presented by Designers Learn Code.